Edaba ko a Madridistas erebe ho pa ene dai because omo hu se sa animguase we ebi betimi ato omo abusua every kan a wo hwe me video ni a ye from me Alfredo Di Stefano Diaz Stefano Sports ni nti mesro so on subscribe to me YouTube channel na link no e wo me bio Stefano Sports yabo game na wie ene Luis Enrique Ascoli Xabi Alonso Olano Sabi yase penyini eni hwe kura no na enye anum kankan penyini oni hwe kura na enye anum kankan ene Luis Enrique akire Xabi Alonso Olano ordinary school pa ye bedi nkomo webre about the game tactical perspective na ye di nkomo pa enya asem keto akra ene ye hu PSG say all starting game no with in a typical 4-3-3 ene Berardo ene be share Edema Ida Pacho ana Lucas Hernandez. It was Marquinhos ene Abrante friend Berardi. Inyahatra Fakimi Nuno Mendes on the other side. Nimfinfino o maintain that particular trio. Nuno Abrante ni Dindi Vitinha, João Neves and Fabian Repina. Enim honum ene nya Kvaratskhelia. Desire Due Ousmane Dembele. On the side of Real Madrid, ene who say absence of the hoisting na at the pressure pa. Ababeto Real Madrid team so, especially starting from the back and considering the system or the game plan of Xabi Alonso. Makacho say Xabi Alonso the system no emprempino or build it from the back. He believes in near kind of say the concept, the philosophy. Yen take territory no, yen press so high, yen control game no, yen switch bebre. Any player back one no yen integral pa Din Hoysen. Nemomodi red card before this particular game. Intine nyine hwe player obes starting no. So he brought in Raul Asensio and Antonio Rudiger. And man you say Raul Asensio, Antonio Rudiger. Omumienu nyina enye best passers of the ball. Raul Asensio ni Antonio Rudiger. Say yem pass the ball nko. Rudiger expert long balls. Nemum say yem fa ball into ho. Na yem build it from the back no. Aya na den. And they errors mienu eba if you want first one from Raul Asensio primary basics you see some mistakes were basics in football as a center back ulusu composure look at Antonio Rudiger omumienu let team down and they infinfino o maintain Tchouaméni Valverde then o maintain Abrante Didi Tchouaméni Fede Valverde and Abrante na ni din ene ne kan say Jude Bellingham because na Trent Alexander-Arnold and whom Fanintino, I was say already din and near can say Valverde called the right side. And Nimu Honomono, Ostate Vinicius, Gonzalo Garcia, and Openina Nidin and near can say Kylian Mbappe. Mihuni say, Xabi Alonso. And Real Madrid lose this particular game. Xabi Alonso is the reason why Madrid lost against PSG. 4-0. It doesn't speak well. Xabi Alonso is the reason. The main reason is the way it here. You see, remember how straight and how tactical Luis Enrique is. So we will share Luis Enrique against Arsenal, against Aston Villa, against Timothy at the Inter Milan. The moment PSG for no say pass ball no mo na nya toss no so mo pass ball na. We say 5 minutes and a second na o ba opposing half o ba be gina so. They know how to press and they press well. And PSG players ni nyina especially o mo final third one no. O mo mienu nyina o mo miensa nyina na mienu ye adwuma. Ene Vicha Kvaratskhelia ni both feet eye adwuma. Dembele the same thing. Desire do the same thing. Intim Primpino say omu hia wo defender. Untimi predict omu and make omu unpredictable. One with the level of PSG for a page mark na do no. Who ya center back and now ya winger and now ya defender, who ya full back now who share PSG for now. They are so unpredictable. You can't predict them. The entire message Xabi Alonso and Real Madrid lose this particular game. They say. Me, I knew say na Madrid were going to lose. Me previous videos, me to just say Madrid be losing game, no. But na minimum say be this easy. Say Madrid be PSG. ewo FIFA Club World Cup without scoring a goal. You remember game on some more. The entire Real Madrid lose this particular game and say the moment who line up and say starting Vini, Mbappe and Gonzalo Garcia. No say me catch madam for be say emfa. The entire emfa nyina say ene ye hu say Mbappe empress. Vini Junior empress kakra. Gonzalo Garcia empress. Enti no bi o hwe game no pa. The only person ultimate say na o movie okoba empress pa no eye Gonzalo Garcia. Vini wasn't present. Mbappe wasn't present. Automatically, your team na o system na o bono. This particular system open na dini Xabi Alonso bono. The moment you your center forward me so omon present, you are doomed. You are doomed. Share the Paris Saint-Germain team. One who have Dembele pressing. One who have the Serie A pressing. One who have a Fabian Repena a pressing. Madrid team the only person no best supported the press no Jude Victor Bellingham. Etika chire so anu akọ. Now yenwura game no ye pa. Na endi nkomo pa na bibi biara ntimi enye kama e wo dwuma die we so. Woni mi say ye ball first half we. Ye ball first half we. Now Real Madrid about just 120 passes. PSG about 402 passes just after first half. Just after first half. Just after first half. Now PSG for no aye smart to the stand say. Omo bo game no answer omo di agro. Abrani na say watch me videos am catch you say. Open na dini Luis Enrique ne system na obo no. Who say the back training en prempi no. Enei ebeka eye abrancha ne din ede Berardo, Marquinhos na João Neves akwa omo. No ma ye tere. João Neves koka omo Vitinha eba nanim kakra. In premping PSG for when building up with the ball, no, PSG for no build up no, aye 3-1-4 continue 3-1-4-1. And yes, aswa omo ball no 3-2 PSG with the ball. In premping no, ube say PSG achiro no João Neves ono ye defensive midfielder no. Eko ka abrante ne dinde Marquinhos ene Berardo ho. Okoka omo ho a no more started build up on echo. In team Brempin, we are Real Madrid. What you supposed to do is so your players are only good on meeting up pressing the opposing team in high power. And then maybe some Mbappe press now. Vini Junior press now. It was Gonzalo Garcia and a Jude Bellingham. And so automatically Xabi Alonso in lineup onyano wrong. Alonso in your lineup no wrong. Yenko yanim. Yebedi nkomo bebre. Yebedi nkomo bebre. Moreover, Makachero say because PSG for no e won midfielders omuye good. Omuni ball ne botchen midfielders bi owiase. E ba proper ball sense, intelligence, IQ, keep tempo of the game. Calmness, composure e wo ball so. Udi ya hwe Vitinha, hwe João Neves, hwe Nuno Mendes. Fabian Repena. Calmness, composure, no di ma. In team Prempino, ultimu say Ousmane Dembele, they rotate a lot. Because omo believes that omo midfielders no any bono. Any omo ball Real Madrid is first half PSG for about 402 passes. Real Madrid about 100 passes per. Real Madrid about 100 passes per in the first half. So PSG for a dominating game in the first half. Enya sam ketwa. Omu control game all angles. Real Madrid and who sukra. Omu dominating game throughout. Unim say passes completed. Where your first half for me, first second half for Cranby. PSG for about 384 passes. Real Madrid about 94. Real Madrid about 94. And no, Real Madrid no. Very sad. PSG for a dominating Real Madrid. Why? Xabi Alonso anya line up ni. Xabi Alonso line up no ambo team no. Nemo Makachero say, "We are Madridista. In Prempin lower your expectations." Because system na Xabi Alonso born kama. Name watch Madrid without the ball. We saw Madrid against Ila, Madrid Pachuca, Madrid Juve. Inti Madrid a baby obeshie team and I say obeshie team a wingers near sharp here quick biano. They will punish Madrid and they be see. The moment Madrid base or stand a back tray system no or yes or a back tray system na. Ene ekoka Raul Asensio, Rudiger ewa achire honom. Enti PSG fonya quick counter break no. Na yefo. So Akimi koya and okoya assist. And a Fabian repeat na share. It tells you what? It tells you say system na Madrid about Madrid without the ball. And bring Piomon track back no ayane problematic at Real Madrid. Say Madrid and track back and Bambe defender no a problematic at Real Madrid. A problematic pa at Real Madrid say Real Madrid without the ball Madrid air track back ababe di jumadi no. A problematic at Real Madrid. Moreover, me who say in as much as say me who say Ancelotti and I say Xabi Alonso and Boatimo. I think Madrid team na Ajuma with Timono. Ajuma with Timono pa. Ajuma with Timono panti. Oya Madridista. Lower your expectations. Ajuma with Timono pa. Ajuma with Timono. And then you evident. We all saw it. Me, I knew Madrid was going to lose. I knew it. Said there's no way Madrid best survive it. Because what she PSG team, they are unpredictable. They believe in good possession, tactical flexibility. And then Hatrof Hakim in no Mendes or more acting as a Lezino fluidificante, attacking fullbacks. Look at how Musibo ball. Look at Nuno Mendes. The moment they set on, and then Madrid who Frank Garcia, no. So PSG outplayed Real Madrid right from the onset. Right from the onset, PSG dominated. Right from the onset, PSG dominated game. Right from the beginning of the Western, Omu dominated game. Omu dominated game. Omu dominated game. Luis Enrique, a one manager, I think say Onyanya Flowers also onya. So person who say PSG a stubborn sider. Who dey share PSG ni Inter Milan game ni. So na minim kwan Madrid be fast and survive it. Because a America, people were comparing Madrid to Pachuca near there. I told you, say, Botafogo for now, Omukobo boss abono. Botafogo for now, Omukobo boss abono. Omu running, Omuko speed, a bus speed, a bus in Dimirica, near Conco fan, Omabiba. Omu ye very good. PSG team no, only Omoba, also running baby. And the Madrid for running, Anna. Maybe so. Madrid Raniana. No. So it was one game. Let me name how Madrid best survive this particular game. Let me name how Madrid best survive in this particular game. 2 year Madridista. In as much say Xabi Alonso, year Jumani, the Macacho say lower your expectations. This FIFA Club World Cup no, ebe catch Real Madrid team say team no enye done. The moment I will be share center forward. This system Alonso bon prempino opeso oja 3 players highline Alonso bo na wama 4 players e wani mo na 3 players e kono ebukama utiate and you look at PSG Fabian Ripin abeshe Goncalo Ramos beshe and Timani Abrante na ni dinde ne kan say Usman Dembele beshe they have options e wo timunum so Madrid lost the game. And Opinion and Dindi Xabi Alonso were in Jumaye. Alonso led the team down. Alonso in Jumaye line up on the coin. The moment you play Vini, the moment you play Mbappe, the moment you play Gonzalo Garcia, and Mbappe lack fitness. The moment you start these players, ask yourself, say, why Nekwa pressing? Who is going to act as a facilitator? Who is going to act as a prima punta or kwa active? Aqua pressing high power. The pressing spine ni one. Madrid lack sa pressing spine ni bebre. E wo timunum. Madrid lack sa pressing spine na enya asam ketua. Madrid lack sa pressing spine na enya asam ketua. What I say? So one game me catch you say, oh, you're Madridista. Lower your expectations, and we saw it evident. The system Xabi Alonso airborne a kama. Nimum loopholes be room. Loopholes be room. There's no way that Madrid going to survive against Paris Saint-Germain. Back to back. The team is solid. The team is solid. No Enrique de Maka. Next season teams in watch out. You better come over. Unsubscribe to my YouTube channel and I want subscribe. My friend Alfredo Di Stefano Diaz last night. Obrigado. Adios. Amigo. Ciao.